Hello everybody, welcome to Sri Guru Sudhindra Degree College's digital learning platform. So today myself Vignesh Prabhu, I am here to give you information about placements. Okay, so under SGS Tapas team, I am here to share you information regarding the TCS NQT. What is this TCS NQT? TCS Tata Consultancy Services. NQT is National Qualifying Test, which is being conducted by the TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. So let me tell you, this option is open for second year and final years, pre-finals and final years. So we will have to take this test to go for the next step of interview, right? So the qualifier test, which will be conducted on 24, 25 and 26th of October. The last date is 17th, that is there on your screen. So 17th October is the last date. Second year and final year students, those are interested to join, I hope everybody is, right? Let me tell you before we move, TCS is one of the Fortune 500 companies of India. If you want to take the background of our college, many students have been placed in TCS. Previous year, the students had been placed, students had already encashed their salary, 1 month salary before, even before completing their exams, even before announcement of their results. So that is one benefit, having a job offer letter with you before you complete your graduation. That is what is my aim for this particular SEM, right? So how to register? The exams are on 24, 25, 26. So whatever criteria are there, whatever tests or whatever subjects are there, we will train you on that. Okay, so let me see what and all are there in this. So once you register through this link, when you press on this link, you will go through this information about TCS National Qualifier Test. So this is there. So they will conduct an online test. There will be NQT score, industry NQT score and subject NQT score. Based on that, they will qualify you. Okay, what is the test, right? See in your screen. It is conducted online. You can apply it from your home, or you can go to the center, come to the center and write it physically. This particular test results will be valid for the next 2 years. NQT score will be valid for 2 years, and another speciality for this is apply for any entry level role in any corporate with NQT score. NQT score ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಮೆಜಾರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ರೋಲಿಗೆ ಎನಿ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟಲ್ಲಿ NQT ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೌಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಹೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ? ಆಲ್ ವಿ second year and final students can, with any degree, any specialization, and if there are any freshers with less than 2 years of experience, even they can apply. So next is, this is the structure. 3 phases, or we can say 3 subjects. First one is verbal ability. It's all about English, right? Comprehension, grammar, 24 questions and 30 minutes. Reasoning ability, reasoning skills, 15 minutes and 30 questions. And numerical ability, number system, arithmetic, elementary statistics, interpretation of data. So 26 question, 40 minutes, total 80 questions and 120 minutes will be your exams. Okay, so once you are done through this, they will send you a mail. Your score will be displayed. So why? Okay, why NQT? So let me tell you, NQT, as I told, it is very helpful for entering into any of the corporates which consider NQT as an entry level. Okay, so how to register? Registration is the first step. Select the test mode if you want to do it at home or you want to visit the nearest center and you can take the test. Then you will write the exam. You will be given the score, the benchmark score with the validity of 2 years, right? So you can have it with you for the next 2 years. Access unlimited job openings. Any openings, if they accept the NQT, you can directly move into the second round without writing again the first round. So these are the frequently asked questions, how it is done, why it is done, to whom it is done, right? So if you have already registered, okay, I hope you will, you can take a sample test where you can, the three, verbal, aptitude and reasoning sample test will be given to you, so that we will be familiar with what it is actually, right? So registration guidelines, if you click on that, you will get a PDF, right? So if you need any more information on this, contact these numbers on your screen. Team Tapas is always with you, right? Wishing you all the best. Register all pre-finals and final year students. If you need any assistance, we are here to help you out. Thank you.